Is it anxiety what you are feeling? Welcome to the Live Without Anxiety, the channel where you will find the best anxiety hacks to overcome anything in your life. In today's video, we will show you how you can find out for yourself whether the symptoms that you are experiencing are the part of anxiety or something else. Watch till the end because this video can give you all the answers you've been looking for. As the time passes, we learn how to distinguish the signals that our bodies gives us. That is why it's very important to have a general knowledge about what the main symptoms of anxiety are, because when you know this, then you can recognize some of the symptoms of anxiety. And when you recognize them, then you'll know how and when to step in so you can fight them back. After we've been accumulating nervous tension, a series of causes and different reasons for stress for days, weeks, months, or even years, there comes one day when we reach our limit, when the glass is full and we realize that we are anxious because we perceive dizziness, instability, and many things that we had not felt or experienced in our life before, such as rapid heartbeat, too much worries about something bad happening to us, fear of sleeping at night, negative thoughts and images, shortness of breath, or trouble breathing. We start to feel many strange things in our environment and around us. And then, when we consider all these symptoms and the rapid heartbeat, one of the first steps that we all probably take who went through this process is to go to the emergency room. After all the relevant checkups and the electrocardiogram, the doctor tells us that everything is okay and what we had was an anxiety attack. Because they receive almost always the same people with the same symptoms, they give us a small pill under our tongue, if at all, and they send us home. Basically, this is how 80% of people find out that they have anxiety. If this scenario matches to yours, wait till the end when we tell you exactly what to do now. Anxiety causes hypochondria, which is nothing more than a false belief that something bad is happening to us, and we self-diagnose ourselves with different diseases. We start assuming that we are developing a disease that is going to give us a heart attack, that we are going crazy, that we are having schizophrenia problems, and etc. But in fact, we don't have any of our self-diagnosed disease. All in all, if you are experiencing some of the symptoms such as dizziness, rapid heartbeat, breathing problems, numbness, feeling a lot of tension, and the other symptoms that we mentioned earlier, it's very possible that you are suffering from an anxiety attack. So what would be your next steps? One of the very first steps is not to ignore that you have anxiety. This would be our first and most fundamental step to process it on a conscious level and decide that we can end the situation. Without this, we cannot take the second step. Second, consciously be grateful to the symptoms that you experience in your daily life. It's very important that you say to yourself that this is anxiety and I can work around it. This is anxiety and I will overcome it. This exercise will make you aware of the problem that you are going through and that you should look for a solution. This is also an excellent way to avoid hypochondria. We cannot solve a problem that we are not aware of. Now, to sum up this video, we discussed the symptoms of anxiety and how you can take steps to cure it by acknowledging its existence. And now it's your turn. Tell us which anxiety symptom is most terrifying to you and how do you tackle it. Let us know in the comments below. And knock that subscribe button to begin your self-improvement journey with us. If you enjoyed finding out about these anxiety symptoms that are confusing you and holding you back from overcoming anxiety, we are sure you would really like also revealing about our video on anxiety, why 85% of people fail to overcome anxiety, unleashed. So make sure to check it out. Thank you very much for watching and remember that you can live without anxiety.